are going to make a leprechaun face. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need some green paper, black paper, yellow and orange paper. What you're also going to need is a pair of scissors. Be careful. Need a pencil and some glue. So what you're going to do first is we're going to make the hat. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your green paper and you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw the outline of the hat. Make it as big as you want, and what you're going to do next is after you're done making the outline of your hat, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut it out. So you should have something like this. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your black paper and you're going to cut two pieces from it. You're going to cut a square or a rectangle, and you're also going to cut a long strip that's kind of thin. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your yellow paper and you're going to cut just a small yellow square. You're going to cut a small yellow square that'll go inside the black one. If you want to do it now, you can. You're going to take your glue and you're going to put just a little bit of glue on the yellow piece. Not too much. You're going to take that yellow piece that you just glued and you're going to put it in the center of the black rectangle that you just cut from the black piece. So you should have something like this. Then what you're going to do next is you are going to take the back of the black square piece. You're going to put just a little bit of glue in the middle. Just put it in the middle. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to put that black square onto the strip. Try to put it centered. So you should have something like this now. Looks like a little bell. You're going to set this aside, and what you're going to do next is you're going to need this back. You're going to glue the back of the long strip. Just put some glue on there. Not too much, it'll dry quicker. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your hat, put it on the flat surface you're working on, and put the belt buckle on the hat. Don't put it too far at the base. So you should put it somewhere near the bottom. So you're going to set this aside for now. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your orange paper and you're going to draw like a beard. So you can draw like an incomplete oval, and then you're going to draw little like wave lines all around it. And what you can do next is you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut it. Okay, so once you have your beard cut out, you're going to take your glue and you're going to glue the ends of the beard. Put just a little bit on each side. And then make sure you have your hat this side down on your flat surface. And what you're going to do next is you're going to take your beard that you just glued, and you're going to put it on the back of your hat. And there you go. You have your leprechaun beard face. Alrighty, so that's all I have for today. I hope you guys are staying safe. Keep wearing your mask, wash your hands, and until then, I will see you guys later. Bye!